Recording in progress.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Iics combo batch 2 evening batch. Okay. So, I'll reduce the sound. Okay. So, the last batch, that means the last session, we made a small introduction that some disturbance was there, right? So, we will go through the introduction only today once again. From today itself, I will start with SQL also. From tomorrow, we will have the continuous sessions from tomorrow. Okay. Today itself we started. So maybe weekly, Sunday, maybe we'll have the off. Okay. And also, if it is required, we will go for one day or one more day also, depending upon the situation. So Monday to Saturday, we will have the session hereafter. Okay. So I will share the recording also. Please don't depend on the recordings and all. Okay. Always depend on the session only. Okay. It's a second option only. Your recording is, it's a, don't fully depend on the recordings. Okay. Always depend on the live session. Always attend the live session. Okay. So we'll see the introduction, basic introduction. Then I will just show the overview, what and all will be there. Okay. So this is the last session, that is combo 1, batch 1. Okay. In that we had what all are the sessions we have taken. Just these all are the files. Okay. These all are the recording videos also is kept here only. Videos and all the documents, everything. So you can see here introduction, and we have gone through SQL, that is 5 different languages, constraints, and single row functions. Okay. And then we gone through IACS, account creation, Oracle creation. Okay. Then we will have Snowflake, SQL Server, Salesforce, everything. Okay. Then we had a quiz, and we had a filter transformation day 7, and filter transformation in both IACS and Power Center. So here everything will start parallelly, it will go. That is Power Center and IACS, both like that. Okay. So whatever the transformation I take, I will take even in the Informatica Power Center and also in IACS. So most of the cases I will go through parallel only. Whatever I am doing, any condition, the same condition I will go through both of the things, right? Just it's a like this, it will be there. Okay. So just I'm showing like this, the router transformation, Excel, different loadings, source qualifier, source transformation, Wiz2, okay, and hierarchy schema, hierarchy builder. Okay. So all this is our videos and documents. This is what the batch 1, last batch items, all this. Okay. So like this, I will give the exercises, notes, and everything for everything. Okay. So whenever the session completes, I will share the documents and also exercise. So please complete the exercise. Always don't wait for anything. Okay. Always complete the exercises. Then SCD 1, 2, right? 3, and project explanation. Then interview discussions, AWS, GCP, macros. Okay. Just overview. That's all. Okay. Then CAI. Okay. This is our CAI part. From here, at least totally here actually it took up to 44 session and all. So this batch I will start from 42nd session itself, or 40th session we will start the CAI. Okay. So CAI, it will be there of some 7 sessions or 8 sessions. Okay. This is what our last thing, right? So we'll come to the thing. So as you all know already, okay, last time also I have done self introduction. Myself Hari, I have 13 plus years of experience, right? So experience in training, how you got? Because I worked as a trainer only and also as a developer, so that obviously I have the training experience from last 10 plus years experience. I have experience with training also. So that then the total duration, as I already told, it will go 45 plus sessions. That is, it will go up to 50 days maximum. Okay. Then the 75 plus hours, the sessions will go up to 75 plus hours, right? Then so basically, why all this? So we have what we are going to learn. We are going to learn Informatica Power Center and IICS Cloud. Okay. So basically, what is this? IICS or Power Center, all this is what? So both of this is ETL only. Okay. What is ETL? Extract, transform, load. Correct. So this is what extract, transform, load. This is what the meaning of ETL. Okay. So what we have to extract, what we have to transform, what we have to load, all these and all we will see. Okay. So basically, we are going to learn Informatica Power Center and IACS here. Okay. With SQL also completely we are going to see. SQL also, not only this. Okay. So just a moment. Just a moment. Someone is asking the link, meeting link. Just a moment. One minute. I'm sharing. So what is this? ETL means extract, transform, load. Okay. So extract, transform, load, it is done by previously Power Center, Informatica Power Center, right? Now, again, we have IACS Cloud. This IACS is also, what is IACS? Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services. That is called IACS, Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services. So basically, the difference between Power Center and IACS we have to see, right? So Informatica Intelligent and if you ask what is the difference, both are ETL only. Why we are using specially this cloud and all? Okay. So basically, we have to understand one thing. Everyone, all the platforms, they move to cloud now. Okay. No one is looking for any of the software or any other platform. Everything is moved to cloud. What is cloud? Cloud means you are not installing anything physically. Okay. You are not installing anything physically. For example, this Informatica Power Center. See, this is Informatica Power Center. This is not a cloud one. This is a on-premises one. So basically, whatever you're installing, physically you are having some software, you are installing. These are all old tradition. Okay. So now nobody is installing and sitting and everything, keep on giving the next and all. Some software we will download and we will keep on give the next, and finally it will get installed. Okay. That is a old tradition, right? Now you are not installing anything, right? So for example, so that is the power center. This is the IICS platform. Okay. This is the IICS platform. Okay. So like this, I will share the guide and all. By keeping the guide, you can install and everything. Okay. I thought to share already, but let us, we will give some overview on that. Then you can go and install and everything you can do, right? So this is what IICS platform, right? So if you see, this Informatica Power Center, it is a software which is having, if you go and see the software where I kept, okay, Informatica softwares, right? You go and see here, the size of the software, it is up to more than 10 GB, okay? And not only 10 GB, it will come around 18 GB, right? Because it is having with different client, server like this and all. Okay, this is the client software and this is the server software, right? So if you see the size of this, see the size, Informatica Power Center, it is going more than 9 GB like that, right? Then this server, if you see the server, it will go more than 10 GB. See, this is the size. So what is the problem now? See, Oracle, I have to install Oracle, then SQL. So all these things it's a very big burden for the system, right? It's a very big burden for the system. The system should maintain all this. Okay. So the system resource, it will consume the complete system resource. So whatever the softwares, you can take any software. Today, everything is converted to cloud. Okay. For example, another example I can say, okay, if you go for this Canva, okay, if you go for this Canva, most of you know what is Canva, right? So it is having a n number of features. Okay, you can create a video, you can create a image, right? So it is having a lot of graphics and so many things, right? So many things is there. You can create so many things. Whatever we are doing any business, you need some ads and everything, you can create with this, right? So it's completely not at all installed anything. It's completely cloud, we can say, right? So it will not give any burden to the system resource, but it is having a lot of options. Okay. Similarly, if you want to go for some video editing software, video editing or something like Word to PDF, okay, Word to PDF. So Word to PDF I want to install. Okay, previously and all what we were doing, we will have a software for this. We have to download, we have to install, right? Now you are not installing anything, correct? So you are online, you are opening and you give your PDF Word file, it will convert to PDF. Not only PDF or anything you can do. Convert Word to PDF or PDF to Word or any format, JSON, Snowflake, so many things is there, right? So many things is there. So with this, we have to understand everyone is moved to not installing, that is old tradition now, right? So similarly, this Informatica Power Center, whatever we are having here, it is a old tradition, right? So first of all, it will take the complete system resource, and also it is having a lot of sometimes there is a chances for software corruption, right? System may get corrupt sometimes. You have to protect your system very carefully, right? That is a major issue. So in our laptop itself, we are facing so many issues. What about the big companies, right? They will have a lot of documents, correct? They have to maintain a lot of documents. They have to maintain a lot of softwares, right? So they should maintain their own server. They have to maintain their own server, correct? So what we have to do? So the maintaining of the server it's a very big headache actually, really. Okay. So most of the time they have to do the maintenance every month. They have to do the maintenance for the this thing, whatever your server, right? So all this is a unwanted headache for the companies. Okay. So they have to maintain the server. They have to do all this. They have to maintain the resources and all, correct? If something is gone wrong, they have to repair it. It's a very big problem actually, right? So instead of that, very easily what they have decided, okay, let me move towards cloud. Cloud means, what is the example? So cloud means, so I can compare this cloud with our G drive. Okay, you see our G drive, right? Google Drive. So Google Drive, for each and every email ID, they are giving some 15 GB free. Okay, if you create an email ID, they will give a 15 GB free space for you, correct? So this is one of the best example for your cloud. So you are not maintaining any of your mail, or see, all my videos and all I kept in the G drive, correct? See here, if I want to keep some more videos, I will create one more Gmail ID. In that also I will keep some 15 GB, right? So if tomorrow my system or my hard disk got corrupted, what about my videos? I will lose all my videos, right? I will lose all my documents. So for safer side, either you can go for this free 15 GB, or you can purchase up to 100 GB. That is a payment you want to give some payment for them, right? For Gmail, for the Google, you want to pay some amount, and you can take 100. You can upgrade your G drive. Then the space they will give the storage up to 100 GB. Okay. So this is a exact same example for your cloud. Because whatever you are not maintaining physically, your items or your documents or your videos or whatever, so that is, if you give to the cloud, if you assume that all this video I'm keeping in my computer, my laptop, okay, so it's highly risky, right? Anything could happen anytime for me. Okay, suddenly my hard disk is not working tomorrow, all my videos will go, correct? So safer side, you can maintain like this. That is what the example for even companies also, right? So maybe all the companies, you assume they will have a lot of documents. Okay, what are the documents they will have? They will have a lot of documents. Like mainly they want customer documents. Then product documents. Then they want sales documents. Okay. Then different documents like this, accounts, all these they have to maintain, correct? So assume that some big MNC company and all, every day lakhs of companies, lakhs of customers, they are entering and moving on. Okay. So you take any bank also. Okay. If you take any bank like Axis Bank, okay, or SBI. Okay, SBI. So lot of customers, they are entering into that, right? Every day lot of customers, they are entering inside, right? Every day lot of transaction is going on, correct? You can take any examples like SBI or banking or any retail. Okay, if you go for any retail, like previously Reliance is there now, correct? Or any bazaar, big bazaar previously, right? So many bazaars is there, right? So retail, they will have a lot of around the world or around the country, they will have different branches. Every day lot of people are entering into that, correct? Lot of people are purchasing, lot of people are doing the refund, correct? Refund, correct? And so many transactions will be there, right? You take anything, it's a retail or banking or healthcare. Okay, healthcare, if you go for healthcare, so if you take any big hospitals or anything, right, lot of patients will be entering in that, correct? And they will have different treatment, correct? Big operations, something will be there, or different type of things and all will be there, right? So they have to maintain all these documents. They can't lose even a single document. Every document is important for them. So why they have to maintain? So you take any sector, it may be healthcare or it can be like finance, right? Or you take any kind of insurance. Okay, insurance sector, correct? Any sector you take, lot of customers will be there. All those customers, they have to maintain, correct? What and all they want to maintain, they have to, if you take insurance sector, they have to keep all the policies. What all are the policies? By which customers, how many customers, they will have different policies. Which customer has taken which policy, that and all they have to maintain the documents, right? Then if you take for any healthcare, they will have different schemes in that also, right? So for some customers, for some poor people, they will have different charges. So some cost, they will have a different way of approach. Okay, for different people, right? So same approach will not be there for all the people, correct? So in that case, for anything you take, so simple example, if you take your home expenses, okay, home expenses, if you take, so you will assume that you have some 1 lakh salary per month, right? Then you have to take all the expenses, right? Rice expense, right? And vegetables, right? Rent, petrol, okay, school fees, right? So all these things we have to make a calculation, right? Then only you will get a end of the month, you will get a clarity. What happened my 1 lakh? End of the month, 1 lakh will not be there, because almost it is maybe some 40-50,000 it is got expense, maybe some 50,000 you are keeping in saving. Okay, 50K saving, or depends on their, some people they will expense more than 50,000 also, 60,000 also. So that depends on them, right? But you should have a clarity, right? What you are doing, what is the expense, you should have a clarity. For that, you are noting all the expenses everywhere. Okay, what is the price for my rice bag? So rice bag 1,500, and my vegetables, okay, so daily I am expensing some 30-40,000, 40 rupees or 50 rupees on vegetables, or depends. Okay, so you will have a clarity. Okay, so vegetables, so monthly, what is that? Want to make a monthly, what is my, like that you have to take a calculation, correct? So it will come monthly around some assume that some 8,000 for vegetables or some 7,000, right? So you should have all this clarity. Then only end of the month you can able to make a profit and loss. What is my profit of the month? Okay, profit of the month in the home. I'm not telling in the big companies. So to maintain the home itself, it's highly difficult without noting all this. You have to write somewhere, no? You have to write everything. Even if you lose any one of the expense, some 1,000 rupees you are getting difference. You will be confused. No, what happened my 1,000 rupees, right? So this is the reason all the companies or anything, they have to maintain all the single data also. Okay. So that is what, okay. So that is what this ETL is coming in the picture for that reason only. Okay. So before that, we were talking about the Informatica Power Center and IICS Cloud. Informatica Power Center, basically, it's a on-premises. Okay. On-premises. And this is a cloud one. Cloud means you are not installing such a huge softwares. See, I've seen, no, this software is coming more than 20 GB, sorry, okay, 20 GB. So if you take the software size of this Informatica IICS, it's not purely on premises. We are having a small software that is maybe some 100 MB. Okay, 100 MB, that is a security agent we are seeing. Okay, what is that? Security agent. It's a small software. It's not like our Informatica Power Center having more than 20 GB and all. Not like that. It's a very, very light software. So it will not take the resource of your system. Okay. So it will not take the resource of your system. And while installing the Power Center, you will give some configuration of the system. So your configuration should be like, it should be 6 GB RAM should be there. Okay, 6 GB RAM should be there, or 8 GB RAM should be there. Okay, minimum 8 GB RAM should be there. If it is 16 GB, it's very good. At least minimum 6 GB should be there. But what about Informatica IICS? IICS, you don't have any such rule. Okay, just like you use any computer with having internet, that is more than enough. That is what IICS. Okay, even if you use even 2 GB RAM, 2 GB RAM also, it will work. Maybe it will but slow only, but you can manage. But with 2 GB and all, you can't do anything with Power Center. Power Center, it will not respond for 2 GB RAM and all. Okay, so this one IICS, just like you are browsing some internet, that's all. It's like a website. Okay, just now I opened this Canva, right? This Canva is working. Similarly, even IICS also will work because it's like a website, correct? So on okay, so that is the very light software. And even most of the case, even if you take talent and all, so these are some of the ETL tools. We will see what all are the ETL tools majorly we are having. That it's one of the ETL tool, that's all. Okay, so we see Informatica Power Center. Okay, Informatica Power Center, it's a on-premises. Then we are having now IICS Cloud. IICS Cloud is it's a cloud one. Okay, you are not having on-premises. Similarly, we have a lot of ETL tools in the market. Okay, so we have something called ADF. ADF means Azure Data Factory. Then we are having talent. Okay. And we are having ab initio. Okay. So we have a lot of ETL tools. These all are some leading ETL tools, we can say. This leading, even other ETL tools also is there, right? So these all are some popular ETL tools. Ab initio, Talent, Azure Data Factory, Informatica Power Center, IISS Cloud. So even in this Talent also, if you ask, there is a on-premises, right? Even in this Talent also, we are having a cloud also separately is there. Okay. So this is what most of the cases they will keep on. If you go for SAP bots, SAP bots is a very popular ETL tool. Okay. SAP bots is a popular ETL tool. So SAP bots, previously we had SAP, that is now it is converted into SAP HANA, right? SAP HANA means it's a cloud one. So previously only SAP was there, then it is moved to HANA. So these all are the examples I'm saying. Everyone is keep on moving to cloud, from on-premises to cloud. If you take this SAP also, previously we were installing SAP, okay, SAP software. It is around some, it's a it is also will come around some more than 5 GB size. Okay, 5 GB size. Then SAP HANA is a completely cloud one. There is no need of any kind of installation. So again, lot of versions is there in this. Okay? SAP HANA, different versions is there. So depends on small changes. It will keep on every year. They will keep on do some changes in that. Okay. So this is the basic things we have to understand. What is on premises and cloud. Okay. So here, if you see 8 GB RAM and the space I want Informatica Power Center, if I want to install, I should have at least 100 GB. 100 GB space should be there for Informatica Power Center. In IACS, if you have some 10 GB, that is enough for easy, smooth operation. At least you have to be with some 80 GB should be there in Power Center. For IACS, even if you have 5 GB, that is enough. 10 GB safer side. Okay. So, and also, if you ask other differences, some new features is there in IACS. Okay. If you see this, I shown no, this one. What and all extra is there on IACS? See, in IACS, we have something called hierarchy schema, hierarchy builder, okay, hierarchy parser, right? And we have something called Excel file load, okay? Excel and all we can load in IACS. Excel file loading is not possible in the Informatica Power Center. Power Center, it will not allow the Informatica Excel file and all, but it is possible in the IACS. We have something called hierarchy schema, hierarchy builder, right? And this macros, okay? This macros is there, and it can connect with all the cloud databases. What is that? AWS, GCP, Snowflake, all these and all we can connect, correct? So that is possible in the IACS because it's a cloud one, the cloud database. So we spoken about the ETL tools. Similarly, we have databases also cloud. Okay. If you see this Oracle, this is a Oracle 11G. Okay. This is a Oracle 11G. What is this Oracle 11G? This is a database. Okay. So basically, you understand the structure, what is ETL and what is database. Okay. So database means basically See, I will show one example. What is database and ETL?
I have a question.
Yeah, please.
So, can a JSON file also be loaded in Iics?
Definitely, yes.
Okay.
Yes. This is one example I can say. What is the situation creating you to see what is ETL and database? Okay. What is the ETL and what is the database? You will understand here clearly. Okay. So assume that, so you are running a company. Okay. Assume that you are running a company, right? So this is your company. This is my source. This is my target. Okay. So assume that this is one of your company. Okay. So you are getting a lot of documents, a lot of customers details, and lot of things you have to maintain daily, right? For that, what you will do, you will have a local data warehouse. So data warehouse means, what is that? Data warehouse. Data warehouse means, we know what is warehouse. Warehouse means what? Usually we heard what is warehouse means. A lot of document, lot of materials and all they will maintain in any company, right? So if you take any TV company or anything, they will have a warehouse. They will keep that's a godown. We can say in other way. So here we are calling as data warehouse. Data warehouse means physically you will not have any big godown and all. Our system itself, our hard disk is the data warehouse. Okay. So like 4000 TB, like, okay. So 4000 TB like that and all, big data warehouse will be there, right? More than that also. So what is this? You will maintain all this data here. Previously, what happened? They will keep all the softwares in the this is, we will have something called OLAP and OLTP. Okay. So this is a OLTP, and this is OLAP. What is this OLAP and OLTP? OLTP means online transaction processing. Online transaction processing. Right? Then what is this OLAP? OLAP means something called online analytical processing. So this is your OLTP and this is your OLAP. What is this? OLTP, OLAP. Okay. So what we have to understand is, the companies, what they previously, what happened before, some initially maybe some 25 years back. Okay. At the time, what they were doing, they were keeping all the data in the premises of the company itself. They will have a data warehouse. They were maintaining everything. Okay. So what happened? Keep on the things is keep on changing, right? So they want to do the data analysis. That is a very big headache actually, right? So as I already told, for doing a data analysis in the home itself, it's very highly difficult sometimes. Okay. So you want to take what is my profit for the last year in the home, what is my salary, what is my expense. You have to make a calculation, right? What is my, it's a very important. Okay, if you go for big companies and all, what they will do, so they have the basic thing is they should have the data. Unless data, we cannot do anything, right? For that, the crucial thing is they have to keep the data very carefully. For that, what they did, so they were maintaining the data also here. This is online transaction processing. It is happening in the company level, that is in the client level, correct? So what they were doing the data analysis here itself. They will keep the data here. They will do the analysis also here. Okay, analysis. So, but they were getting some issues in that. What is the issue? So it will affect their day-to-day activities also. They will do the analysis. They will do the operation also daily. Okay, daily operation will be there. Daily analysis also will be there. It's a highly difficult, right? So what they did later, they created something called OLAP. Okay, I will give all my data and keep it somewhere, and you do your analysis till yesterday, whatever you've done. You don't do the current data. Okay, that is okay, right, for us. So whatever you're doing the analysis of yesterday, that and the last month, so you will get an idea. You don't want to do the live analysis. You do the analysis, keep some data of yesterday data. You sit somewhere easily. Okay, you do your analysis. I will do my operation here. Don't disturb me. Okay, you do whatever you're doing there. You do data analysis. You check it. How many customers came? How many sales happened? What is my profit? What is my loss? All the data analysis you please do in the another platform that is called OLAP, right? Here, let me do my operation. Don't disturb me. So that is what the case, right? OLTP, OLAP. Here I will do the data analysis. Here I will do the data transaction, online transaction processing. So this is what the thing. Okay. While moving from here to here, we have a something called ETL process. See, I have some data here. I don't want to load everything here. Okay. I don't want to load everything here from here to here. I have some useless data or unwanted data. I have some important data that only you keep here. Another data and all you don't keep here. Okay. So what you do, you are maintaining a something called ETL. Here only your ETL is coming in the picture. Okay. ETL. Okay. Here you are doing the extract. 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 Then you do the extract, transform. Transform. Then what is that? Load. So what is this? What is the transformation is happening here is, so I don't want to maintain all the, for example, I'm getting some record here. Okay. I'm getting some 1 lakh record. I don't want to load all the records here. Let me keep here only. In that case, this will come in the picture. ETL, extract, transform, and load. Okay. Here only, wherever we are having the ETL, the client will send the data to us. We are doing the transformation. We are doing the whatever the requirement. According to that requirement, we are loading only that data. Okay. And we are doing the data analysis. Also, for that also we are supporting data analysis. We have to do the extract, transform, load properly as per the requirement of the client. So that we are doing this. Okay. Finally, we are keeping all the data here. Okay. Here it will have all the data, maybe 10 years data. Okay, last 10 years data or 50 years data. Okay, or depends on the company, maybe 100 years data. Okay, if you take some companies like Lifebuoy, okay, Lifebuoy, anyone can say how many years old this company? Anyone having any idea? Lifebuoy, how many years old company this is? Hello? Anyone is having any idea? What is the, how old Lifebuoy company? So not 40 years, it's more than 100 years. It's more than 100 years old company. Lifebuoy soap. Okay. So they will have the data of maybe, I don't know exactly, maybe they have to maintain all the data, maybe 100 years or 50 years. For what? For anything data analyzation, they want to compare this Lifebuoy, they want to compare with Lux. They want to compare with Rexona. Okay. So I must have the data, then only I can do the comparison. That is what Rexona or whatever the companies, they should do the data analysis. For that, they should have the data, first of all. That's why they are maintaining all the data, 50 years data, 100 years data and all, they have to maintain. Okay. So that is what the picture. Anyone is having got any, it's clear. Then it's a ETL and the data while maintaining, so cloud data and on-premises data. Okay. So here we see the difference between the server. Server, we'll maintain the server, own server. Okay. Server database, whatever you are maintaining. Okay. So assume that you are maintaining all the data within yourself. Okay. Tomorrow your server is getting corrupt or something is gone bad. Okay. Then you will lose the data, right? That is a risk, right? So every month you have to check it whether my server is working properly or my data is safe or everything is safe. It's a kind of psychological issue sometimes. Okay. It will give a trouble. What will happen to my server? They have to keep on update also, right? So it's a risky thing, almost. Okay. So they have to maintain the data, everything in their premises. It's a difficulty. Okay. So for that, what I'm doing, I am moving to cloud. Okay. So what I'm doing, I am giving all my data to the cloud. Please take care of my data. I will take some plan. Okay. Every month, whatever you are using my data, for that you can pay. Okay. Here you are not paying anything, you are maintaining. Okay. You should maintain your server. Here you have to pay for this. Okay. You have to pay for this. Just like I shown one example, our G drive. Okay. G drive, if you want 15 GB, it's free. You want to maintain more than that, you have to pay for that. It's a best example I can say, right? Similarly, the companies, what they will do, they will give the data to the cloud database. Okay. So you keep on maintain my data. Whenever I want, I will use it. Whatever I am using, for that only I am paying. I am not paying. Same payment will not be there. Fixed payment will not be there. How much you are using, how much you are consuming the data, that much you have to pay for them. That is called monthly payment or yearly payment, like that will be there. Okay. So this is what on-premises database and cloud database. Okay. And what is this ETL? ETL also, on-premises ETL is there, cloud ETL is there. Informatica Power Center is a on-premises ETL tool, and Iics is a cloud ETL tool. Okay. Any doubt is there in this? Up to this? Anyone? In our session, you can speak. Don't want to give only chat here. You can also speak. Okay. I don't mute anyone. Anyone having any doubt? Why ETL? Why database? What is on-premises? What is cloud? Is it clear? Anyone having any doubt? This part? Guys, you can speak. You can open.
Oh, sir, clear.
Is it clear, right?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Yeah. So why ETL? What is the scenario? Why we are getting the ETL? What is OLTP? What is OLAP? What is on-premises ETL? What is on-premises database? What is cloud database? What is cloud ETL? So these all are the basic things. Okay. So this is what the situation. It is making us to go through all this. Okay. So if you go for this ETL, without doing this ETL, we cannot do this process, right? So that is why the ETL is having so much demand in the market. Okay. If you want to use the ETL, what do you want? You want ETL developer. Okay. Without ETL developer, you can't do this job. Okay. ETL developer is coming in picture there only. Okay. This ETL function, I want to make it. For this, I want a ETL developer. Without ETL developer, I cannot do this I cannot perform this function. Okay. So each and every big companies, they should maintain the ETL. Without ETL, they can't maintain their company itself. Their data is most important. For that purpose, this ETL is most important. This is the importance of ETL and ETL developer. Okay. So if you go even in 2023 or 24, the highest demanding job is, so everyone know, right? Everyone knows now. Maybe it's a AI, okay, artificial intelligence, artificial AI, correct? So the number one is AI demand, and the number two is ETL. Okay. Number one is AI and number two is ETL, because it's a basic operation. Everyone should maintain this. ETL is, without ETL, they can't survive. Correct. So for that, ETL developer is important, right? So maybe some ETL tools, maybe sometimes demand will be there. Some ETL tools demand may be less. Okay. But ETL concept is important. Either it is IICS, either it is Informatica Power Center, either it is Talent, either it is Azure Data Factory, anything you can take, right? So without ETL, it's highly difficult. Okay. So that is the importance of ETL. Okay. So next, hope it's very clear, right? So let us come to our Informatica Power Center, our class. Okay. So that you got an idea what is the purpose of ETL, what is the database and all. Okay. So we will see some special features in our training. Okay. What is the special features in our training? So learn multiple technologies in one batch. Okay. So you go to any training, they will give the training of Informatica Power Center, or they will give the training of IICS. Separately, they will give the training. Okay. But in our batch, we will compare and we will go parallelly. Okay. So if you go like this, okay. So the time, first of all, time. If you want to learn Power Center separately, assume that it will take some 2 months. Okay. IICS separately, it will take some 2 months. Total 4 months. Okay. Again, if you want to learn full SQL, it will take some 1 month again. Take some 5 months. But what we structured a training schedule. Whatever we have done here is, so we are covering everything in one batch without making you confused, without making uncomfortable. Okay. The last batch students and all, I made a feedback also. Okay. Whether it is suitable or not. Okay. I took the feedback from most of the students in the last batch also. Are you feeling it's like too much? Are you feeling it's like some impossible? Or it's feeling like something difficult? No. Because in fact, it is easy. Okay. In fact, it is easy because if you take this Informatica Power Center, I have this some transformation. Like, what is the transformation? We are having different transformations here. Okay. Filter, aggregator, lookup. Okay. And we have rank and we have joiner. Okay. So while what I am doing is I am doing a parallel processing. Parallel means what I'm doing, parallelly I'm taking. That's why you will not feel like difficult. Okay, this is the IICS platform. If you go to this is our data integration. Okay, here also you can see all the transformations. Just see here. It's the most easy way to learn IICS. If you know already Power Center, even if you don't know Power Center, without learning Power Center, you don't learn IICS. If somebody is giving the training also, please don't learn. Okay, don't learn because IICS, it's a Power Center is a Power Center. It's like a, what is that? Bachelor degree. Okay, it's like a bachelor degree. And IICS, it's a master degree. Without doing the bachelor degree, don't go for master degree directly. Some trainers, they are teaching directly also. Okay, that is not correct actually. Okay, so without going to the bachelor degree, how you will go for a master degree? That is not correct, right? So for that, some trainers, they are giving the training separately for Power Center, separately for IICS. It will take separate time also, and it will, you have to charge also, you have to pay separately. Separate payment you have to do, correct? But in our session, what is the advantage is you can pay. Just a moment, it is still opening. IICS. Yeah, it's freezed. 1 minute. It's not saved. It's not copying. Okay. So in the training platform, sometimes these IICs will be quite slow. Okay. See, this is what the IICs platform. Okay. And this is your Informatica Power Center platform. Okay. You can see all the transformations here. And similarly, you can see the transformation in IICS, where you can see, just open this, create a mapping. See here. You see here, aggregator is there, expression is there. Okay, the user interface is different, right? Otherwise, the function is same. Okay, maplet is there, joiner is there, normalizer is there, rank is there, router is there, sequence generator is there, sorter is there, SQL is there, SQL transformation, union transformation. Okay, see here, source is there, target is there, right? Similarly, in Power Center, you have different transformations. See here, joiner is there, filter is there, aggregator is there, right? All the functions is almost same, but some transformations is not there in IICs, some transformation extra is there in IICs, some small changes will be there. Okay, otherwise what I am doing is, if I take a transformation, I will complete this transformation in this Power Center, then I will go for IICs. In IICs also I will do the same only, I will not do another thing. Okay, if I am doing today aggregator, if I take aggregator, I will do the aggregator in Power Center, so that it will be very easy for you. Okay, complete aggregator, you will have a crystal clear idea, right? So one more thing, I will do the same conditions also. Conditions means what? Whatever the examples I am taking, same table only I will do. Okay, So within 1 minute, I will do a mapping now. Within 1 minute, then I will move on. Okay. Just a moment. Just see that. Okay. So here in this power center, I connected Oracle database. Oracle database. I told no what is database. Database means there is a source, there is a target. Okay. Just show a small example of doing a small mapping. So I will do a mapping now. Mapping, create m_students. This is my so I am taking one students here table. I have so all these and all how it came. I will tell you in the next session. Just a glimpse. What is a small mapping? How it will be there? I want to show a small glimpse. Students table. This is my student table, and this is a source. There is a source. There is a target. Okay. This is my target. And what I am doing, just I am dragging in. See here. I'm just opening this. See this. It will be like this. Okay. What I'm doing, just I'm copying everything. Select all. I'm just connecting this here. Control save. Control save. And this is a. So I will tell one by one. Just it's a glimpse only. I will tell everything. What is source? What is target? What is transmission? Okay. Then everything I'll tell. Just see the thing. That's all. Just observe. Okay. Then this is a design platform, and we have workflow platform. Go to the workflow. Here I'm creating one workflow. WF. There I mention as M. Here I'm mentioning as WF. Workflow. Students. 5. Okay. So this here, whatever I have done, I will get here. Students 5, right? Even if you're not understanding, just observe. That's all. Just introduce this to your mind. Okay. Suppose you're going to a new place. Just you will observe. You will not go anything hurry, right? Just observe this. That's all. So here I have the source. I will tell one by one detail. I will tell. Just you can observe now. Okay. Source. This is my source, and this is my target. I'm changing the connection here, and I'm giving the truncate. What is this truncate? Everything I'll tell. Don't worry. This is valid. Now start workflow. This is my next. So here I'm getting my monitor. 3 platforms is there. What is that? Design platform, workflow, and monitor. See, this is succeeded. It is saying like succeeded. So what it is saying, 140 record source, 140 records, students it is showing. Okay. Source to target, it is moved, right? So this is what the basic mapping. Okay. So what is this? What it is happened is, here I have a source, here I have a stage. Stage means target. Okay. If you see in the source, there is something called select star from students. So in the next session, I will tell what is the star, what is select, everything. Just you see a glimpse now. That's all. See, this is my input. So input means in other language, source. Source means input. Okay. See, count of rows, 140 rows. Okay. This one, I want to move to the target. Okay. What is the meaning for this? What is the meaning is, here I told no, I'm moving from here to here, correct? I want to keep it in the database, online transaction processing, and like this, no, this is my source transform and like this. Okay, here I'm keeping in the target. This is called target. I want to keep all my 10 years data, 50 years data. I told no, I want to keep it in the target database, that is OLAP, data warehouse. Okay, so here this is my target. See here, select star from students. I'm checking. That means how many targets is there, like that. Okay, it is showing 140 record. Now only it is moved. Okay, so this is a basic mapping in Power Center. Okay, similarly we will do a mapping in IACS. Okay, similarly we'll do the mapping in IACS, right? In IACS, how we have to do the same thing. Just to observe, then you will understand what is the difference between that and this. Okay, so the basic task is I want to load my record from source to target. Okay, here what I'm doing, this user interface, this, okay, this user interface, you can see how it is. It is something like this, right? Here it is looking like this. Okay, the same thing how it is there in IACS. So it is there like this. Okay, here in Power Center you are taking and moving here, but in IACS always there is a source and target will be there. Just you want to give the connection, that's all. Okay, take it like this. I am giving this same 140 records to my same record to my, see here, see, select star here. It is showing like 140 record, right? What I am doing, I will truncate this. What is truncate means? Truncate means I will delete the data, the target. I don't want that data. See here, I am doing the truncate. Truncate table T underscore students. Now you see how many record is there? No any record, correct? So now what I'll do, I will load the same record in the IACS platform. Okay, IACS will load the same 140 record now. You can see here now. Okay, see here I am connecting the same Oracle only. So here all these and all, how to connection, how to do the connection, everything I'll give the guide, and I will also support how to install everything. I will tell, don't worry, just to observe now, that's all. Okay, select star from same table I'm taking, student table. Okay, here I took the student table, here also using the same student table. Okay, this is done. Go to the target. This is the target. Go to the target here, Oracle TGT. Then here, T underscore students. This is the target. I want to load to this T underscore students, right? In Power Center also, I did the same. Here also, I'm doing the same. Okay. Then I did the truncate. No, truncate means whatever the record is there currently, you please delete and you load like that. That is called truncate, right? Field mapping. Do the field mapping. Here, auto smart mapping, right? So I did the mapping, no, in a Power Center. How I did? I just dragged and dropped here, right? That is the mapping in Power Center. In IACS, this is the mapping. You want to map like this. So smart map, auto map, smart map. If you go for manual, so smart map. See, it is mapped, right? Student to student, first name to first name, like this. It's a source and target. It is mapped here, correct? Just to save it. See, it is showing like valid here, correct? It is showing valid. Run. Next, run. Go to my jobs. So here you want to click. You want to refresh here. So 140 record success. Now you go and see in the Oracle. Here 140 record will be loaded. Clear? We did the same task in Power Center. We did the same task in IECS. So this is the example for all the sessions. I will do everything in Power Center, everything in IECS. Okay. But most of the case, what I will do, each and every condition also I will do parallelly. I will not wait for completely to complete in a Power Center and IECS. It's very easy, right? So it's possible to learn both Power Center and IECS parallel, right? Are you feeling anything difficult in this? Anyone, please? Anyone, please? Ramya?
Yes, sir.
Are you feeling anything difficult in this?
No.
You can learn, no? Power Center and IECS parallelly.
Yes.
So this is what the example.
can.
Okay. But in fact, it's a easy process. If you go and learn Power Center or IEC separately without Power Center, you will not have the example. Okay. Just you are seeing in a two platform, you can understand very, very better compared to the separately learning. Okay. So this is what I just wanted to show, right? Then here, what is there? We are learning both here, right? So I taken the feedback also from the students. They said it's working nicely, and out of 30 students in the last batch, 7 people already placed in a company. Okay, out of 30 people, 7 people already placed. My target is for the next 1 month, at least 7 or 8 people should get placed. Okay, but some people, if some, not that all the people are trying very well. Some people are not trying for even job. That I can't do anything. If you are seriously looking for job, definitely whatever I'm giving the process, please follow it. Definitely will get placed. Okay. So it's already approved so many times it is happened. Okay. The last batch also it is happening, right? So that's what I will give the process. Please follow the process. Then you will be very safe, and whatever the purpose will be fulfilled. For a job, you came here for not only training. Why you want to simply learn, right? You want to get a job. That's why you are learning this, right? So that is the ultimate purpose. That purpose should get fulfilled, right? So job assistance with real-time training. Job assistance I will give. Then learn Informatica Power Center IECs. So what is CDI and CAI? CDI and CAI. Okay. Yeah. Somebody is speaking. Yeah.
Yeah, Ramya sir. Cloud application integration and
Yeah. Yes.
cloud. Yeah, CDI
Yes.
means
In IECS, something called in Power Center, we don't have this. Okay. We are talking about the difference, no? This is one of the important difference. In IECS, we have something called CDI and CAI. Okay. In Power Center, no such thing is there. Okay. So whatever is, we are having the basic functions like mapping, data integration, that is called CDI. In other way, we can say Power Center is having only CDI. Okay. Power Center is not having CAI. Okay. CAI means cloud application integration. Okay. CDI means cloud data integration. Okay. Application integration, data integration. So you can see here, this is called data integration. As a ETL developer, most of the time you will be here only data integration. And some developers, if they are handling API, then they will go through all these also. This application integration. Okay. Application integration. So some of the API, I will tell within 1 or 2 minutes about API. Okay. What I will give a small overview about API. Okay. API means so programming interface. Okay. It's opening 1 minute. See, so API means basically simple example if I want to say, okay. So anything they don't want to interact the data directly. Okay. They will give a API. Okay. Banking. To go for banking, the phone pay or Google Pay, they will give a API access from the bank. They will give a, so you can't directly approach me. You can approach me through the API, access through API. Okay. Other example, you can say like, what is that, for flight booking and all. Okay. Not only flight booking, Google Pay, Google Map. Okay. Google Map API. Google Map API, who will access this? This Ola, correct? Ola, Uber, all these people. Okay. Even different websites also, they will have the access for Google Map. Okay. So to that it will be helpful for the customer to find the address. That also they will. Okay. Google Map API. So all these things, then you can go for so many things like weather. Okay. Weather, no. AccuWeather. Okay. AccuWeather is a very big platform in the world. Okay. Even Google also approach them only to what? To get the weather condition. Weather condition, no? What is a weather condition? That and all, you want to approach through this AccuWeather. It's a very big entity in the world. Okay. So these things and all, they will give the data access to us through API. Okay. So why this API means ultimately you cannot directly interact. They will give access of API. Through that API you will do. For that we have to create the API. We have to create the API. That's why we are having this platform API. Okay. So this API sessions, it will have some 7-8 sessions, end of the session. Okay. Then job assistance, this CDI and CI. Okay, it's clear, no? What is CDI and CI? It's clear. Then SQL also I will take. How I will manage the SQL? If I take Informatica, if I today, for example, we are having aggregator transmission. Okay. What I will do for the first 20 minutes, 25 minutes, I will take only SQL regarding that topic. Okay. If you go for this, see here, joiner, no? Joiner, if I go for joiner, I will do all the joining concept in this thing. What is that? SQL. See, this is our joining session. Okay. Why joining? How the joining? Why we have to do the joining? This and all I will be there, and we will do the joining queries also in the SQL. Joinings in SQL. Similarly, how to do the joining, everything will be there in there. Okay. Practical session, everything. First, we will go for joining. See, this is our joining transmission session. Last batch. Okay. See here. See, I have taken everything SQL from the beginning. See, this is the last batch video I'm playing here. Right? See, why joins, everything will be there. and what is left outer, what is the right outer, everything, right? Detail master. So what is the difference joining in SQL and Power Center and IICs? Because this joining is there in SQL, the same joining is there in Power Center, same joining is there in IECs also. So we have to cover everything, no? We will cover everything. That's why our session, it will take more than 1.5 hours. Okay, see here. These queries and all I will give. Select star student ID, implicit method. Okay, like this it will go. So this is our Snowflake. So we will install Snowflake. So these are, see, first what I did in the SQL, the Oracle. Then I did the same in Power Center. See here, this is the video playing, last batch video. Okay. And after this is here, this is the joining options, all this. How to do the joining, everything. Then we will do the same in IECs also. See here, joining, joiner. Then again, I will show in the Power Center also. See here, this is a joiner transformation. See here, joiner transformation. So like this, our session will be there. We will go through SQL, we will go through Power Center, we will go through IICs. Like this, it will be there, right? So that it will take more than 1.5 hours for sure. Okay. It will take some, even if you go for joining and all, if you see this video, see it is having up to 2.5 hours. See here, 2 hours 28 minutes. Particularly this joining and all, it will take time, no? Some sessions, it will take time more than 2 hours also, right? So you will be perfectly comfortable with all the things. Informatica Power Center, IICs and SQL, right? So this is how our session will be there, right? Even if you go for this one, this is the joiner transformation. Then you go for this aggregator, okay? Aggregator class, this one, aggregator video I'm playing now. So aggregator transformation in Power Center and IECS cloud. Okay, it will open like this. Then we'll go for how to do in the Oracle. We are doing all this minimum, maximum, sum, average, count, and all. Okay, this is the SQL platform. Then this is Power Center. How to do the aggregation in Power Center. Then after this, we'll go for IICs aggregation. This is the aggregation transformation. See here. Aggregation transformation in Power Center. See here. So sorting, all these functions will be there. Okay, we'll take completely everything. So this is a glimpse how the session will go like this. Okay, then
Sir, I have a question.
yeah, please. Yeah.
So, will you be sharing the Informatica software and everything to install?
Yeah, I'll share the guide now.
Okay, sure. Yeah.
By seeing that, very easily you can install. Okay.
Thanks.
So guide will be like this. See here. This is the guide for Snowflake installation. See, 100% clearly I've given everything. Okay. Best guide, step by step, easy installation guide.
Yes, sir. You have maintained it very clearly.
See, given everything. Each and every step I given, I written also. Okay. How to do that? See, anybody you take even a 5th standard boy, okay, 5th standard person, we can do it by following this. Given everything. This is called Snowflake platform. Okay. See here, I already, this is what Snowflake. See here, this is a Snowflake platform. This is our Snowflake. How to install everything. I given very clearly in that. Just to follow that, and you can able to install. Even if you are getting any issue, please get back to me. I will support. You can call anytime. I don't have any time and all. Okay, you can call after 11 o'clock also in the night. I will support. You call me in the morning 6 o'clock. I will support. Don't worry. Okay. But you take some seriously and learn why we are doing all this. You have to get a job immediately. That purpose should happen. That's what simply learning. It's not sentiment. Correct. I want to learn. Why I want to learn? I want to get a job, not simply to learn. Right. So this is our guide. Right. So all this and all I will share. This is the guide for Snowflake. Similarly, we have guide for everything.
So do you have documented steps for any transformations?
Definitely.
Okay.
I will share the documents also. See,
If
for
you-
example, you see here, this is our CAI, okay, application integration.
Okay.
This is our API, okay. So even with this, with video also you can do, or you can follow this document also. See here, I written everything. By following this also, you can do things. Okay. I have a lot of documents. No issue.
Got it, sir. Got it.
Yeah. So
light.
yeah. So next, what is the thing is, so this is what API, and the special thing is you can pay first half of the payment and you can pay the remaining after 14 sessions. Probably, I think all the trainers will take full amount, right? Yeah. So this is one of the option, because it will be difficult to pay everything, or you can check whether this session is worthy. I want to pay or not. Check it first. You give first half of the amount, you check it. If you are not interested, you don't attend the second half of the session, right? This is the option I'm telling. Okay. But no one has left like that. No one has left like that. Everyone is in my interaction now. Okay. See, this is my student last batch. Live one batch. I will keep on share the documents and the job, whatever I'm getting, everything I will share. This is my WhatsApp group of the last batch. Okay. See what is this? I got placed at Cognizant and Sweta at CTS. Thank you so much for your guidance and support. Right. So he got the job. These all are actually husband and wife. Both husband and wife, they attended our session. Both have got the job now. Right. Similarly, you can see here, he also got the job. Thank you so much, Hari. Because of your guidance and supports, everything happened. That is, they got the job. These people have got the job. Now only it's maybe in 2 months only. Within 2 months, parallelly, see, congratulations, Srinivaslu, Dharan, Vishwanath. And again that, see here, out of 30, see the number of people in the group, 31, including me, 31. So I don't take more than 30, right? Even in this batch also, people will keep on join. Whenever the people are crossing more than 30 people, I will stop. Why? I want quality, first of all. Without quality, keep on adding the people. There is no point in that, right? First of all, quality is important for me. That's why I don't take more than 30 people, right? So these people have got job, 7 people already placed. And I hope within the next 20 days or 1 month, other 10 people will get placed. Sure. I will keep on follow with everyone. Okay. Until they get the job. Even after getting the job, I will give the job support also. If you want, I will give the job support also. Don't worry. Okay. So you are in a very, very safest place. Okay. You are not losing your money. You are not losing your time. You are not losing your energy. You are saving everything. Your time, your money, your energy, everything you're saving. I'm sure. Okay. So, okay, next. So, the recording for all the sessions, nobody will give. I am giving. Okay. Recording for all the sessions. I don't have any problem to give. Okay. Because a lot of people is there in India. 100 crore people is there, no? So I don't have any fear. Okay. People will come. So somebody, I don't fear about it. Okay. If I give the recording, okay, next time they will not come. By using that record, everyone will use and they will not come to the session. I don't want too much people also. As I already told, I don't want more than 30 people. For me, it is enough. Okay. For me, this is enough, more than enough for me. A quality training for the few people, that is enough for me. Okay. That is what my satisfaction, right? I should get satisfied. Then only I can do the satisfaction for others. Okay. Then get recording for everything. Then interview preparation from day 1. I will give the interview preparation day 1 itself. How? I will share this 108 interview questions first of all. See, these interview questions, if you prepare, definitely you will get prepared within 10 days. After you can start to attend the interview parallelly. Okay. So this is my 108 interview questions. I will give this. It's very, very easy. I given even practical also, including practical question and answer. Not simply question and answer. Like that. Okay. Practical also with the screenshot, everything I given. Then interview preparation from day 1. That is what? Parallel and series mapping. What is that parallel and series mapping? Parallel means Informatica Power Center and IICS. Some sessions we will do parallelly. Some sessions we will do series. Then special 108 interview. Just now I showed. Then after completing this, so 508 interview questions I will give. That is after 20th session I will give. Okay. So this Azure and all I mentioned in this batch, I am not doing this Azure data factory and all. Okay. Acha, this is a database, right? Database we will do. We will do the database connections, everything. Azure, Snowflake, Salesforce, GCP and everything. Okay. So I will give special 208 interview questions of cloud and 108 interview questions. 208 interview question SQL, 108 ADF. ADF, I am not giving this now. Maybe in the next batch, I will go for this ADF and talent and all. Okay. Because students are not, they want to learn Power Center and IICS. Okay. If you are ready to learn, I can give this also parallelly. I don't have any issue. Okay. ADF and talent also I can give. This is also one of the important ETL tool in the market. Highly demanding ETL tool. Special group quizzes on Saturdays. Every Saturday, we will have a special quiz, right? And limited participants for better quality. Mock interview after 20th session. I will do a mock interview after 20th session for you. Okay. Why? Mock interview, everybody will do after completed all the sessions. No. In our sessions, it is not like that. Okay. In our sessions, quite different everything. Okay. I will do the mock interview after 20th session. Based on what? Based on these interview questions, whatever I given, no? Based on this only I will ask. I will not ask anything else. Okay. So you will get an idea what is interview. Right. So that is how the people are getting placed very fast. Right. Mock interview after 20th session. Resume preparation and creating Naukri profile. All this I will take care personally. Okay. Because you don't know how to do all this. There is some good techniques how to get more calls, how to prepare the resume preparation. I will do personally for you. Don't worry. Okay. Then attending live interview after 20th session. You want to attend the live interview after 25th session itself, not end of the session. We will have totally 45, more than 45 sessions. Don't wait up to that. You start attending the interview after 25th session itself. Possibly you crack the interview before 30th session. It's possible. It is happened. Okay. If you target, it will happen. If your target is after 50th session, you will do like that only. Okay. Just a moment. Sorry. Just a moment. Okay. So you will attend the interview after 25th session itself. Okay. I no mute during session. I will not mute anyone because if I mute, how you will ask the question? You can't ask the question, no. So it's completely interactive session, right? So you can call anytime, direct phone call or WhatsApp. You can do doubt clearance. I can do anytime, even in the session. After the session also, I can support. Recorded video, notes and exercise, I will give. Real-time project also, I will give. Some different session, I will give different project demonstrations. Okay. Second mock interview. If you are not cracked the interview, I will have a second mock interview after 30th session. Okay. I will keep on have the interaction with you. Whatever all you are doing, I will. Okay. So data connections from Oracle, Snowflake, AWS, and GCP. I will take the basics also. So what basics? Snowflake basics, definitely I will take. AWS also I will take. Oracle also I will take. Special documents for all sessions. I will have special document for all sessions. Right? Special, then we will have special interview question. Then we will have the weekly quiz programs will be there. Saturdays we will have the quiz programs based on the interview questions. And we will have the mock interview after 20th session. That's what I mentioned already. Okay. Mock interview. These all are very important thing. Otherwise, without doing all this, if you go, then to get the job, it will be difficult. Resume preparation, I will take care. Career analyzation and guidance for each individual. Okay. Experience settings and suggestions. Okay. Experience certificate. If you want, if you can take care. If you want, I can also support experience certificate and all. If you want any initial documents and final documents, if you want, I have some people, they will also support. Otherwise, you can, wherever it is available, you can go for that. Okay. After 20th third session, attending live interviews. Then start live interview after 25th session, right? So by the time I will make a SWOT analysis about you, what kind of person you are. Okay. What is your strength? What is your weakness? What is your opportunity? What is your threat? Okay. I will give an idea how you can approach the interviews. What is your weakness? How I will get? I will take the mock interview for you, no? At the time, I will understand what kind of person you are. Then I will give the suggestions, how you can correct yourself. What is your weakness? Because you don't know about you. I can able to understand about you, right? Then I will give the suggestions, how you can improve yourself, in what way. While attending the interview, how you can approach the interviewers, that I will give. Okay. Then, so you should be placed in a company before 30th session or 35th session maximum. Maximum 35th session, you should get placed. Whether it will happen or not, I don't know. You put your complete effort. Okay. Full effort we will put. You also put the effort. I will also put the effort. You will get the result accordingly. Okay. Then guidance to complete the exercises. So daily I will give the exercises for everyone. Okay. So this is how the exercise will be there. See. This is combo batch. For example, this is our expression transformation. Then this is our this is the exercise. Okay, it's some issues there in Excel. I think it's not opening. Filter transformation. Filter transformation. Exercise. So this is the exercise. Whether it will open or not, let me see. See, this is the filter transformation exercise. See, this is how I will give the exercises. See, create table, 3 tables, import the tables by using SQL developer, right? So how you can import that also I will tell. See, as create table also I will give, right? So insert also I will give. What you do, just copy paste and insert. That's all. Very, very easy. Okay. I will give this document. Just insert and that's all, right? So import attached. This this is a. I will give the flat files. By using that flat file, you can import. How you can import that also I will tell in the SQL developer. Go to SQL developer and go to import data. Okay. Then import the table. What is your flat file and create table. So it will get imported. Then exercise will start. Exercise, that is the exercise 1. Exercise 2, load the students who are getting stipend more than 3,000, like this. Exercise 3, exercise 4, exercise 5. Okay. If you complete all this, you will become master very, very soon. Okay. So like this, we will have the exercise for everything. This is one of the example, filter transformation. And this is our source qualifier. Source qualifier exercise. Source transformation exercise.
So for each transformation, you have multiple exercises, sir?
Each transformation?
You have multiple exercises?
Definitely, definitely. Yes.
Oh.
See, this is source qualifier transformation. See, I will give the hints how to do that very easily. Okay. How to do that, I will give. This is the exercise for source qualifier. Source qualifier power center. Source transformation in IISc cloud, like this. Student table, coordinator table. I will give completely idea how to do that. Then you can do it now very easily. So this is how. So this is what one of the, just you want to do this. What you want to do here? By using this, you do the joining. I am asking you to join student table, coordinator table, address table. What is the student table, coordinator table, address table? It is similar to employees table and department table and location table. We are using like this. We are not using that employees table or anything. We are using, instead of that, student table. Coordinator table means what? Department table. What is address table? Location table. I will combine everything and I will load to target by using the source transformation joining. This is called. Okay. This is one of the exercises. I am asking this like this. Okay. So for this create table also, I am giving create table to underscore students. I will give the full support is there. Just by following this, you can do it. If you are not understanding, you can call me. I will support. That's all. See, exercise will be there. Notes will be there. Source transformation notes. This is. Okay. Why this? What is source transformation? Just overview this. This is called a notes. Each and every transformation exercise will be there. Notes will be there. A source transformation extracts data from a source like this.
Sir, also, will you be reviewing our assignments?
Definitely, I will review and I will also reply. You have to reply to my mail.
Okay.
I will see that and I will reply to your mail and I will also follow with you.
Means
So,
how to send the assignment?
Assignment you want to mail.
Means, do we need to take the screenshot or how?
Yeah.
Can you show that?
For that, how to do is, I'll see simple one thing. What you want to do? You want to take the screenshot. Yes, whatever you said is right. Okay. For that,
Okay.
what you want to do? You want to open a Word file. Okay, Word file. Okay, Word file. You take a Word file and take the screenshot of that, whatever you're doing. Keep on add the screenshots. That is, for example, this one, you want to take a screenshot. How you want to take the screenshot? Snip tool. So this is how you are done, right? What you do? Just to put this here. Then workflow level. Whatever you're done, go to the workflow level. Take whatever you have done conditions. Just open it. Show me what you are doing in that. Right? Take the snip tool. Then you add below this. Okay. Then go to the monitor. Then you show me the result here. Out of 140, I got the 140. Like this you want to show. Okay. This is how we want to complete the exercise. Then you want to show this also. What is this? Here I got the output. No, this also you want to show in the exercise. Please mute yourself. Whatever is, please mute yourself. So you show this also to me. I got the result in the database also. Please show that also. This is how you want to complete the exercise. Clear? Then what you do? Just to save this file, give a name for that. Source qualified transformation exercise. Okay. First of all, what you do? You give the question here. Question, whatever I have given the question, no, that question you copy paste here. And you mention exercise of so and so, joining transformation or whatever. Then share this file in the mail. That's all. Okay. This is how you want to complete the exercise. Okay. So this one we completed. Then what about the batches? Tomorrow morning, we'll have the morning batch. 7 a.m. to 8:45 a.m. We'll have the cloud batch, that is combo batch. Okay. So here I mention as reverse. Okay. That is CDI. No, correct only I mentioned. So morning we'll have 7 to 8:45 one batch and 9 to, I want to change this time, that's all. 9 to 1 hour, that is only IIC's batch. One session will be IIC's cloud combo and one will be only IIC's. Okay. That only IIC's will be there, nothing else will be there. Okay. Power center, here we are taking power center, here we are not taking power center. That is the difference. So if we start at 9 o'clock, it will take up to 10:15. 1 hour, 15 minutes it will take. For cloud combo batch, it will take up to 2 hours also. 1 hour, 45 minutes to 2 o'clock for combo batch. Only IIC's batch, it will take 1 hour or maximum 1.5 hours. It will take. Usually 1 hour, 15 minutes like this it will take. Then evening also we will have the combo batch. Okay. So this is the combo batch. IACS combo. What is IACS combo? Power center and IACS also will be there. That is called combo batch. Here also we'll have the combo batch. Morning also will be there. Evening also will be there. Right? So who can join this batch? So anybody can join this combo batch because we are telling from the basic to advanced level, power center and IACS, right? So today we don't have time and money to go through everything. So we have to learn parallelly, right? Number of people, 20 to 30 people will be there on batch. Will not take more than 20 to 30 people on per batch. I don't mute anyone during session. Already I mentioned, right? So why I don't want to mute? If you get a doubt, if I am not clear, if I keep on continue the session, your mind will get stuck with that current doubt, right? You will get a doubt. If I am not cleared, what it will happen? You will always think of that doubt, what happened, right? Then it will keep on pop up like that. That's what I mentioned here clearly, right? Okay. So conclusion, I will not take more than 20 to 30 people. That's all. So here we'll learn basically Oracle 11G and all the databases also, like AWS, everything, right? IACS, security agent, power center. So upcoming sessions. So future I'm going to take talent, SAP bots, SSIS, Power BI, Tableau, right? Database, AWS, Snowflake, Teradata, SAP HANA. All these sessions also I will take in future. Okay. So supports available, a complete career guidance for each individual. I will have the direct interaction with the student. A complete training to crack the interview easily. You will get more knowledge than a really working people. Most of the really working people, they doesn't know anything. I know most of the people. Okay. They will be working, but they don't know what to do, why to do. You got some task you are keep on doing, but you will not have the idea why we have to do that and all. Okay. So in our session, you will get an idea more than a really working person, right? You will get the knowledge of 3 to 4 years experience for sure, right? In our training, so we are, as I mentioned already, I told resume preparation, direct phone call, everything, right? So the basic thing is you must have a degree. Degree is a must. Any one degree. It can be BCA or BTech or MCOM, master degree or bachelor degree. Any technical degree or non-technical degree, it's all right. Okay. If someone continued or even somebody is having some issue in the degree, please get back to me. I will give some idea also how to manage that also I will give. Okay. Suggestions for freshers and all. That's what I am adding, this ADF and all. ADF talent. You should have a lot of skill, then you will get a. But anyhow, for freshers, they have to wait for at least 6 months. Before 6 months, getting a job is difficult for freshers. Okay. For freshers, only SQL is enough. Only by keeping SQL, you will get job for freshers. Okay. Okay. So software installation, how we will do? I will share the guide. I will share the guide for everything. See, guide. IACS creation, account creation. See, security agent. This is IACS security agent guide. How it is? It will be very neat and clean. Okay. Find everything pin to pin. I will give the screenshot also. Just to follow this. If you follow for any video, it will take time actually because they will keep on explaining. But this is a point to point directly. You can explain. You can do this installation very easily. Most easiest process this is for installation. Just by following this, you can install very fast. This is IICS installation guide. And similarly, we have Informatica Power Center installation step-by-step process. This is installation Power Center IICS. Informatica Power Center installation guide. I given each and everything, screenshot also, explanation also. Right? See here. Clear, no? Anybody can install by using this guide. Very fast. Following any video it's easier than that for sure. See? But it will take time. Informatica Power Center to install, it will take time. It will take at least more than 1 hour, nearly 1 hour it will take. But IICS, you can install within some 10 minutes because that is cloud. You are not installing anything. Power Center installation, it will take some time. Okay. It's completely given everything. See, I have clearly I given the explanation also. Success is complete, right? Nobody will give the guide like this for you. Okay. It's a very crystal clear guide. Yeah. Then what is the thing next? Okay, this one. So guides and all I'll give. So what are the guides I will give? I will give easy installation guide for Ubuntu installation. That is Unix PuTTY installation. Control M also I'll give. So my request is, please complete the exercise on daily basis. That is the most important thing. Daily basis you complete the exercises. Okay. Then you are ready for the interview. You to crack the interview, you will be ready, right? So keep your mindset. Okay. From today, you want to create a new mindset. Get up early in the morning, practice early in the morning. That is the easiest way. Okay. Go to the sleep early, go to the sleep before some 10 or 10:30. Get up early in the morning, like some 5 o'clock. Okay. You start from the beginning at early morning, whatever you're practicing, you will get the production, double output you will get. Okay. Whatever the practice you're doing in the early morning, you will get the double output for sure compared to the morning. Always do the practice in the morning. If you get the time also, you can do in the evening after your, if you can do even the full day also. Early morning, whatever you're doing, that's a highly, okay. So if possible, you can do some, this is your choice. If you want to do some meditation and all, it will give more sharpness to your mind. It will help a lot. Okay. So these are some secret of success. Big achievers and all, they followed this only. People who achieved big things and all, they will not tell anything. They will not reveal their secret, but they will follow all this. Okay. So keep some good intention in the mind. I want to do something good for the society. Take some social responsibility. Okay. Don't live only for you. Live for others. If you plan to live others, then the success is very fast. If you live only for you, the success will be very far. Okay. So universe or nature or God, whatever, right? You will get the support very fast. Okay. So this is what I told already. Informatica, the different things and all, the IDQ, all this, right? So the day one, okay, what is the language of database? Already we, okay, structured query language. Okay. Why SQL? SQL to retrieve data from database. What is data? Collection of data. Okay. So database will store in this and all. These are some small databases. Your pen drive also one of the database. Your hard disk is a database. CD is a hard disk. This is also database. Cassette. It's a old, right? So from the beginning, all this is different small databases, data warehouse, small data warehouse, all this. So this notebook also one of the data warehouse, because you are maintaining the data in this, right? So in the beginning of the session itself, I told, okay, we will have different expenses in your home, rise expense, rent, everything, all this, okay. So end of the month, end of the year, how to reduce unwanted expenses. This is called a data analyzation, okay. If you start a business at Hyderabad or Chennai or Bangalore, okay, it will keep on increase. Okay, it will go to national level. It will go to the international level. We will have the branches in different countries. So you want to maintain the data, no? At the time, you will be in trouble at that time. You have to do the data analysis. What about the data? How you will track the data? How you will check your growth? How you will check your dangerous mode? You will be in dangerous mode, but you will not aware of that. You have to know that. That's why data analysis. How will the competitors are doing? Okay. For example, Zomato and Swiggy, they will have the competition. They will compare only this only. They will not compare any other company. Zomato will always compare with Swiggy. Ola will always compare with Uber. Samsung will always compare with LG. Like this. Okay. So why we have to do? How will you maintain the unlimited data? All this. Okay. So this is called data warehouse. Google's data warehouse, Google server. This is, see, this is how the server room will be there like this. Okay. So OLTP, OLAP already I told, correct? So we'll have like this. Yeah. This is the source we are getting. Here we are doing the ETL, extract, transform, load, and we are moving to the data warehouse. After moved, we are doing the data mart. We'll have the different analytics, reportings, analytics, data mining. Here you will keep all the data, your billing data, your ERP, your CRM, your flat files, everything. It will do the ETL, extract, transform, load, and you will keep it in the data warehouse. For what? For data analysis, future data analysis. You must have all the data. Okay. So already I told. So this ambassador car, it is failed because they are not completed the data warehouse. That is data analysis, they have not done well. That's why today we don't have ambassador car. Okay. Then we have marketing and selling concept. Marketing means they will do the marketing even if the sale is good. Okay. Selling is there. Selling concept means they will keep on do the sale without caring about your marketing. Then you are in a dangerous mode. Selling concept is the dangerous mode always. So whoever is following this selling concept, they will be closed very soon. So marketing concept should be there. Selling also should be there. Marketing also should be there. Even if your company is good, your business is good, you should do the marketing. You cannot simply do the selling. Okay. So this is what is the common language of data warehouse? SQL around the world. Okay. We have different SQLs. We have Oracle. Okay. We have DB2. Okay. Cloud and all, if you take AWS.
MySQL.
Snowflake. Yeah, MySQL. NoSQL.
Teradata. Green Cloud.
NoSQL. Teradata. So many things. DB2 already.
Cassandra.
Yeah. So many things is there. Snowflake and Azure. This is cloud. Few things is on-premises database. Few things is cloud database. Okay.
I
This-
think AWS Glue also comes under SQL.
Yeah. Both will be there. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So this is out. These are some popular databases, on-premises database, PostgreSQL, DB2, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, all these. Okay. So this is what MySQL, PostgreSQL, this is what I already told. DB2, SAP HANA, Teradata. Okay. NoSQL, not only SQL. That is what the meaning for this. So, but all are the same, right? So it's more than 90% same only everything. More than 90% it is same. So what you want to learn? You want to learn SQL. Okay. If you learn SQL properly, you can handle any of this database. You can tell in interview, I know all this if you know SQL. That's why we are taking SQL also in our session. Okay. I will give the equal priority for SQL also in my session. I will not take only the Iics. I will not take only the Power Center. So whenever I am getting the topic, if I get the joining, I will do the joining for SQL and then joining in Power Center, joining in the Iics. If I go for aggregation, I will go for aggregation in SQL, aggregation in Power Center, aggregation in Iics. Like that only my session will go. Okay. So this is a schema. What is Oracle SQL Developer? Schema means example. Okay. So this is the schema. Schema means what? Oracle in the local disk C and F. This is one of the schema. In another way, if I want to say, see, this is a schema. This is a C schema. This is a D schema. Similarly, in our Oracle also, we are having schema. See, this is the source schema, state schema, info schema, different in real time, lot of schema will be there. Okay. So partitions, in other way, I want to say it's a partition. Okay. It's a partition. The same only that itself we are doing the partition. This much for source, this much for stage. Like that, I can do the partition. That is what? Schema. So this is what, right? So SQL developer, Toad for Oracle will be there. Both are same only. Okay. So this and all I will take tomorrow. Okay. So from tomorrow, we will start with 5 different languages of SQL: DDL, DML, DRL, DCL, TCL. Okay. For the next 2-3 days, we'll have only SQL because SQL is most important. Okay. Only if you know SQL, you will get job. Only if you know SQL, you will get job. Without ETL, you will get job. Many times it is happened. But I'm not saying that don't learn ETL. ETL is most important. But just to tell the importance of SQL, I'm telling. Okay. 5 different layers. So these all I will take in the next session. Okay. So 5 different languages, SQL, and we'll go for constraints. And then we'll go for single row functions. See, last session it is happened. Whatever is there, I'm showing here. Okay. First session, introduction. Second session, we had 5 different languages, constraints. This is second session. Third day, completely single row functions. See, single row functions. Single row functions. Okay. Full day single row functions. That is 2 hours. We will go for only single row functions. What I will do, I will just copy paste in the SQL everything. We'll keep on move. Everything I will keep on explain and go on like this. Where class, unique coordinator, So the students table only is our base for everything. I will use the student table for everything. Okay. Student table, I will take everything. See, our student table will have the columns like this: student ID, first name, last name, email ID, and phone number, joining date, specialization. Specialization is just like our students only: Tableau, Power BI, IACS combo, IACS, Power Center. Like this, my table, talent, my student SSIS, Power BI, Tableau. Then stipend. Stipend is nothing but salary in employees table. Bonus. Bonus means it's like your what is that in employees table? Bonus means your commission. Sorry, for commission percentage. No, that is what bonus. Then manager ID, coordinator ID. Coordinator ID means what? Department ID. So basically, select star from students, right? So then select star from coordinators. So this is how coordinators. Select star from address. So you can see here. Source table, tables. See here, address, coordinators, countries, departments, everything will be there. But we are using mainly student table, coordinator table, and address table. Okay. Single row functions. These are our single row functions. I will share this document also. You can practice. How you want to practice? Just copy paste, that's all. Just copy and paste it here. Very easy to practice single row functions. See, 1 minute, no. So very easily you can practice everything. Given everything. See, you're getting your output, no? So best document for practicing single row functions. Whole everything you are given in this. In string, ltrim, rtrim, all the functions will be there. Translate function. All full single row functions. Round, trunk, ceiling, base. So just you can practice very easily. Okay. So please give priority for SQL also. Just to follow what I am saying, just you will become master very fast. Okay, I'm sure. So any doubt is there? Shall I stop the session now? Anyone wants to ask anything? How the session will go? Any doubt on this? So this is how it will go. And 40-second sessions. Yeah.
Will you be sharing the document?
Can you come again? What is that?
Will you be sharing the document of it? Which you
Documents, huh?
Which you have shown now.
Yeah, I'll share everything. That's why we are doing the training. No, I will share the document. Don't worry. Okay. Any other doubt? See, IECs will have this kind of sessions and all. See, different tasks and all will be there, and hierarchy schema, hierarchy, then Excel hierarchy, this reusable concepts, CDC, AWS, and CAI. In the last batch, it took up to 45th session before CAI. But in this batch, I will start from 42nd itself, we will start the CI. By 48 or 48th session, everything will complete like that. See, this is CI session. This is our CI session video. This is. So CI session. So like this it will be there. What is types of APIs, everything, and Access Bank example, and all these things will be there. And it's a COVID related website, right? So with that example we'll take, and one more example, AccuWeather. Next session I will go for AccuWeather. Two projects will be there. One is COVID related project for API. So this is the creating of process REST API. Okay. This is the first day, and so we'll have 8 sessions like this, or at least a minimum 8 sessions will be there for CI. Okay. So the next session will be, first day we will go for a process, second day we'll go for a connectors, right? So see, this create a process. So app connections, service connectors, process creation, and how to load that to the database, how to create a JDBC connection, everything will be there. Okay. Then converting into and file extraction, and we are loading to the Salesforce or Oracle JDBC. Okay, anything we can take. So any other doubt? Any other doubt? How the session will go? Any other doubt? Anyone? Anything? Anyone wants to give any suggestion? Please give a suggestion. You can do like this. Don't do like this. You can add something or you can remove something. Okay. Suggestions is always welcome, because we'll keep on upgrade. We'll not do the same thing always. Okay. Every month my session will be different. Last batch, whatever is there, same thing will not be there for this batch. It will be entirely different. Next batch, it will be entirely different. I will not follow the same pattern every time. Okay. Because myself, I will get bored if I do like this. I want to do something new and creativity. Then only it will give some satisfaction to me. Okay. Yeah, any other one? Shall I stop the session? Anyone having any doubt on this? Sai Kumar Garu?
Yes, sir. No,
anything, any input you want to give with this?
no, sir. Looks very good.
Our content is okay. Anything you need to improve? Anything you want to add? Something?
No, sir. We should be going on the same page. Looks like each documentation is looks like very detailed approach.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
even a layman can understand it very easily.
Documents I explained with step-by-step screenshots also.
Yeah, and that is really appreciated. And also you are inspiring the students to do some social activities, gather in social activities, and be motivated every time to achieve your goals and success. That is really appreciated.
This is not only students' goal; it is my goal also. That's why I am motivating, right?
Yeah. Everyone thinks that they will be completing the session and they will leave, right? But you will not. Your process is something very different, and you think your students and everyone should be satisfied and happy. That is really good.
Because everyone will have their mind, and we have to satisfy. Unless simply taking the session and going, what is the use in that, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
They should get happy. Yes, okay, whatever I paid, more than I paid, I am getting.
Yes.
That satisfaction they should get.
Yes.
That's
But,
what I am looking for.
And my sincere request is like, can we have some at last final? We have some basic intro of AWS, Azure, and GCP.
Yeah,
like how
definitely,
jobs are-
definitely. Yes, AWS and Snowflake, definitely I will do the basics, not only doing the connections. See, here we are having Snowflake I shown already, right?
So if you are introducing in the upcoming sessions Snowflake and Talent for previous batches, do we have any discount or can we do that?
See, discounts and all definitely will be there. Okay.
Okay.
For previous students and all, see, at least in every batch, some 2-3 students are joining free. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
If see, for example, in this batch, I have some 2-3 people. Okay.
Okay.
So maybe they not attended the sessions due to their busy or something. Then
Okay.
I will not take money. I will add them.
That is really great.
Surprisingly, I will add. I know
That
what
is
is
really
their struggle. Maybe they will be struggling in some problem. Okay. Due to some personal reason, they paid, but they not attended the session.
That
Okay.
is really great.
Then maybe they will be very busy with their job. Okay. Last time you couldn't attend, you try to attend now. Even if you are not able to attend, then in the next batch also I will add. That's all.
That
Okay.
is really appreciated.
I don't have any issue in that. What is it? I am not simply I am adding, I'm taking the session. If somebody is extra, what is the issue for me?
Yes,
No
yes, exactly.
I'm not
But-
holding
but-
on my head, no.
But everyone do not think like that, right? So that is something which makes you very unique. So
See, even if some 2 people extra is there, I'm not doing a separate session for them, no. Same session only. What is the issue for?
Exactly.
I'm not keeping my on my head.
exactly.
They are sitting in their place. I'm sitting in my place. I'm taking the session. They are just observing. They also
Yes.
already paid already.
Yes.
Still
So,
they are not. Yeah.
So I have one question, sir. So once we complete the session, right, within how within how much time we get the documents and the recordings and everything, so that it practice.
So recordings and all day to day it will get.
Means once completed the session, or once after the session.
Maybe
is completed, it will
2-3
take
days.
some
Sometimes
2
I
to
will
3
send.
hours.
Sometimes I will send days, same days, or sometimes 2-3 days once like that, depending on because I want to upload and I want to share now.
Okay, sure.
So it will take sometimes 2 days, 3 days once I will send at a time. Sometimes I will do daily also. Depends
Okay.
on my time availability and I will upload and share.
Sure.
Okay. So any other doubt? Anyone else? Guru Garu? Guru Krupa, right? Guru. I think it's already late, no? You will be doing something else, I think. Ramya? I think everyone is.
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Okay.
Everything? Any doubt is there in this?
Nothing, sir.
Clear, no? Fine.
Yes, yes.
So someone, I think new person is joined. I think Devi Venkam Seti. Devi. Okay. Fine. Okay. So from tomorrow we'll have the continuous sessions. Okay. So morning batch, whatever is there, morning and evening will be there. Okay. If you refer someone, I will give 20%, 25% discount also. Okay.
Sure.
So this is just to motivate because for the next within some 5 days, 10 days, definitely 30 people will join without even giving all these offers and all. Okay. But will motivate some even our current students also. No, that's what. Maybe if somebody will be very difficult to even pay this amount also, it will be helpful for others also, right? So some
Yes, that
others,
is really a good
yeah,
sign.
yeah. So maybe they are paying now, but still we don't know what is their situation. Maybe they are borrowing from someone else and giving to us. So, and maybe it will be helpful for some other student whoever is in struggle. Otherwise, they will go for some other big. They want to pay huge money in other platforms. So in our platform, we are doing in a best price, and we are giving the best training also. So that is an opportunity for the another student, whoever is the new student. Okay. So if you want to refer to someone, yeah, you can refer it. Okay. I will give you a discount also for you. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you. Thank you all. I'm stopping the session. Thank you all. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day. Thank you.
Yeah,
everyone.
it's the same to you all. So all the best to everyone.
Thank
Thank
you.
you all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.